Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Candy brand washing machine and you're getting an E10 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. So this error can mean a couple things, but in almost all cases it's a sensor issue. And I'll just give you the bad news up front. If it actually is a defective sensor, you're probably just going to need to call a technician to come out and fix it. I'll just give you one potential solution that might work, which is whenever these sensors are malfunctioning, it's a good idea to just do a hard reset on the machine, which is just to turn the machine off and remove it from power completely for a full minute. So that means either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the breaker if it's hardwired. And then once it's off, then you can plug it back in, turn it back on, and see if it doesn't clear out that error. And again, if it doesn't, this is an error that you're going to need to call a technician for, because one, it could be a couple different things, and two, it's an electronic sensor type error. Yeah, so hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.